everybody, it's SaskiaSketches and today I've got another Scrawlrbox for you. So you may notice that I have a different desk, and it's not just a different desk. I moved out, so this is a whole new space. Yeah, I actually have two desks, which is really nice because I have one for my laptop and my tablet and stuff, and then one for like art stuff because they're both kind of small. So, but yeah, I wanted to film my first video in here because I was quite excited. So yeah, that's just so you know, new setup and stuff. I'll probably be making an update video about my situation and what's happening in my life and stuff soon enough. But for now, let's get to do the Scrawlrbox. I'm super excited to see what's inside this one. Oh, is that paint? Are we painting with acrylics? This looks like acrylics. Ooh, ooh, I'm excited. What do we have here? Maybe it's a whole different type of paint. My guess would be acrylics. Ooh, Gentelman. Ooh, magenta, yellow, and process blue, cyan. Ooh, this has got to be acrylics, right? Heavy body acrylics. Ooh, ooh, I'm excited. Let's go. What's this? Little card. Oh, it's one of these frickin' things. Palette knife, quote unquote. You know, this is a palette knife, not that. This is not a palette knife. But I suppose I shall use it because it's a challenge, right? To just use anything that's included in the box. Ooh, a brush. It's a small brush though for acrylics. Usually I like to use bigger brushes, but this will work. I think the canvas was quite small as well. One of these, 2B this time. I think we have like a ton of these. I have a ton of these from previous Scrawlrboxes as well, but I quite like these, so it's okay. Anything else? So paints, pencil, brush, a sweet. Oh, it's hefty. What is this? Oh, it's bubble gum. Curious. I'm not really the sweets type of person, so. And what's this then? Okay, so apparently they first wanted to include this one, but then proceeded to include this one instead. That's okay. Palette knife. Sticker. I like this sticker though. And we have the canvas. Is this canvas paper or canvas board? I'm curious. Let's see. It looks like canvas board. Ooh, yeah, it's 3. Well, that's neat. I can separate them. Ooh. Oh, this feels very, very nice. Ooh. Oh, I know exactly what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to make 3 paintings. And maybe I'll do something that you know, a painting that overlaps across like 3 canvases, or perhaps I'll do like a series of paintings that go together, because I've got some walls that need some decoration, so that'd be cool. Ooh, I'm excited to make something with these, and these are light fast, alright? Hopefully, otherwise I'll be sad. Let me check. Yep, light fastness, great. Ooh, I am so excited to use these. I'm not sure what I'll be doing with these just yet. I'll just like think a little bit about that. But I am super excited. It's gonna be cool. Ooh. I'm excited. Let's go.
Alright guys, so like I mentioned, this is my first video that I filmed, and also I'm recording the audio for in this space, which has been a little bit difficult because you've probably noticed in a couple of videos that have come out a couple of weeks ago that my audio quality has not been the greatest. That's because I've been having trouble connecting my mic to my laptop. So up until this point I've been using my laptop's microphone to record, but now I think I finally got it to work. I hope so. I really hope this audio quality is a little bit better. So about the pieces, right? So because man, I spent so much time on these because I thought, hey, it's Scrawlrbox. That's a quick and easy video usually, and then Scrawlrbox like, hold my brush, and they gave me three canvases and acrylic paint. So this took a while. I had to speed this up so much. It's over 2,500%. So yeah, you can imagine how much footage I had, but I do really quite like how these came out. It was a little bit challenging to work with just the colours that were provided, even though they were primaries. I didn't have a white, I didn't have a black, I didn't have any more earthy tones, ones I usually like to use. So this was a little bit of a challenge, and I did allow myself to use a white and add one to the palette. So I hope you're not too mad at me for that, but I've always approached Scrawlrboxes as like, okay, so these are to inspire me, and if I need some other product to make the thing, look prettier, I can use them. I've long since kind of given up on just following the prompts as well, because I don't know, I just like doing them this way. I think it's much more relaxing and much more fun to do it this way. So that's how I've been doing them, and that's how I like them, so deal with it. So yeah, these characters that I'm drawing are from my favourite anime, INAZUMA 11. Been kind of falling back on nostalgia the past couple days, weeks, because oh man, is my new school stressful. So yeah, I kind of need to, calm down a little bit and focus on things that make me happy, and this is one of those things, anime that I watched when I was younger, and yeah, man, this show is so awesome. I've made a couple videos on this one. It makes me so happy, and it really gives me courage as well, because these characters, man, the main character that I'm painting here, his name is Mark, and he is the most stubborn guy you'll ever meet. He will never ever give up, and that inspires me. So that's why I don't tend to give up. So yeah, there are so many characters from this show that I wanted to draw and paint, but I just picked these three. I picked Mark, Axel, and Jude, and I don't know, because they're, I guess, considered the main characters. I've always considered just Mark being the main character, but some consider Axel and Jude and Sean as well to be main characters. And I guess they're all important. There are so many important characters, but I've always considered Mark to be the main one. But yeah, I love all of them. So it was kind of difficult to pick which one I wanted to draw, but I'm quite happy with my choice, and with these ones that I drew, I really like how they came out. So the way that I actually went about this was I sketched them out first, and I paid extra attention to whether they were the same proportions or not, because in the past, if I've drawn like a bunch of characters in a series that's supposed to go together, I often find that I tend to lose track of the proportions, and then you know, the first one and the second one may not look so different, but then the second one and I don't know, the 40th one will look a lot different proportion wise, so I try to keep that as you know, clean as possible, to make sure that they were at least conceivably around the same size and same proportions as they should be. So I think I succeeded in that. And the next step was to paint the background, because I wanted the background to be overlapping. So if you were to put them all together very closely, you'd see that, you know, they overlap and they're actually supposed to be standing next to each other. So I quite like how that came out. And then was on to the paint, and I found the paint okay to work with. It was a little bit thick though, and if I tried to water it down, it didn't really like that. I don't know, the pigment was separating and stuff. So, well, I didn't water it down too much, but it was just a little bit globby, I guess, and that made the details a little bit difficult to do. So like the Jude's glasses, for example, those were quite the pain to do, especially because I mean, the brush was small, but not that small, so it's a little bit difficult, but I think I managed. So yeah, overall I thought this Scrawlrbox was pretty good. I really liked what we were given, except the freaking card. There was a pain to work with. At least give me something palette knife shaped, right? Instead of you know, doing this. Also, because I didn't have a black, I used a what do you call those things? Paint pen. I used a paint pen to do the outlines, because I mean, they needed it. Also, I think I got these in a Scrawlrbox, so it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, I failed the challenge, but I wasn't really participating in a challenge, so did I really fail it? It's up to you to decide. I like to do the Scrawlrboxes this way, so yeah, that's just how I'm going to do them. I've really quite enjoyed the final product, even though the paint was a little bit difficult to work with. It was all fine. I did mix all of the colours myself, so that was cool, I guess. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video and listening to me rambling, I guess. I often find that I get a little bit rusty after I haven't recorded for a while, so I hope this voiceover wasn't too bad. I also added music for like the first time ever, and I'm kind of digging it, so maybe you'll see more of that. We'll see. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more art videos every single Friday. Have a great weekend, guys, and keep on sketching. Bye!